Greetings and salutations to everyone present here. Today, I am going to talk about corruption. Corruption refers to a form of crime or dishonesty. It refers to an individual or a group doing evil. This act most importantly violates certain people's rights and privileges. Corruption involves mainly actions such as bribery or maltreatment. Since time immemorial, in one form or another, corruption in Pakistan has prevailed. The link between bureaucrats, politicians, and criminals is responsible for corruption. Bribes were given in the previous days because things were wrong, but bribes are compensated now for the right things in society. Social corruption, like the mixed vetting of goods, adulteration of foodstuff, and different kinds of bribery, have predominated in society continuously. In the current situation, if a person wants a public sector job, he has to pay the higher official substantial amounts of money regardless of meeting all qualifying criteria. The most significant reason of concern is that corruption dehumanizes the governing body and regards the fundamental value of the law that regulates society. Today, politics are only aimed at criminals, and outlaws who end up being in politics are only aimed at criminals and outlaws who end up being in politics. Dear students, corruption remains a significant problem in the largest democracy world and represents a significant risk to industries.